Hello, and in today's episode of Beardchanics Garage, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily make your own motorcycle ramp. So the reason for needing a motorcycle ramp is I have recently purchased another motorcycle which is in a non-rideable condition, and I basically need to recover it back to Colchester. So I've got a van booked, and I've got someone to come with me, but I need a motorcycle ramp to actually get it into the back of the van in the first place, as it's too heavy just to pick up between two people. I could do it with the ramp anyway, as I plan to be recovering vehicles, doing them up and setting them on. So yeah, there's plenty of motorcycle ramps on eBay and Amazon and companies like that. I don't want to pay as much as that, so I quite fancy having a go at making one myself. So right, let's go and do it. In. playing around with the settings. I got them right by the end. Those welds aren't too bad in comparison. Oh, and there you have it, a homemade motorcycle ramp, which in conclusion actually worked a treat. It worked perfectly. We were able to recover the motorbike no problem. It was quite a large fan, so quite high off, the bottom was quite high up off the floor, but the ramp absolutely did its job. I had originally intended to make it double the length with like a hinge in the middle, but I gave up halfway through, and it still worked anyway, so that was good. The idea of the rungs was to allow us to push it up a little bit at a time without it slipping back, and the idea of putting the piece of wood on the underneath was to stop the wheel from sinking that bit further, the tyre from sinking that bit further, and making it harder to push up the ramp. So yeah, in conclusion, that actually worked a real treat. So if you've got access to a welder, then give it a go yourself. It was quite easy to do and quite fun. I'm obviously not a welder, as you probably guessed, but by the time I've been playing around with it, I've kind of got the hang of it again. I haven't done any welding for well over a year now, and I was never particularly very good to begin with. So having had no formal training. So yeah, give it a go yourselves and let us know how you get on. Share some pictures and stuff of your own attempts. And yeah, see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Bye.